I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to.
So today I am here to, y'all, I look so, I don't know, I look so weird. Okay, so I am here to do a review on this hair that I received from ReadyWig. Let me get all the information for y'all. So ReadyWig was kind enough to send over a 22-inch 613 blonde silky straight wig. It is, I want to say it's 13. It's a frontal wig and it's not a full lace, but I think it's like, it's just a lace wig. We're gonna rock with that because I don't know all the I don't know whether or not it was a full lace wig because I don't think it was. This is the box that it came in. My box is of course beat up because it went through all the little stops it had to make before it got to my house. So this is the box that it came in. On the box it says ReadyWig. And before I get into the hair, I'm going to tell you everything that comes on the inside of the box. So on the inside of the box it says ReadyWig, I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. And it has the website on there. And then inside the box we have hair care, their social media, and yeah, tell you how to tag them and everything. Comes with a wig cap and a spray bottle. Like, I can use this, so pretty excited about this. And then that's all that came in my wig box. So here is the wig. It comes with a little hair net on it, and yes. So here is the wig. Of course it needs to be brushed out, but to be real with y'all, it doesn't seem as though it's like a synthetic wig. Of course it feels synthetic, but it doesn't look as synthetic as I had expected it to. It's not as silky straight as I would like, but I'm gonna run my powder brush over it. I'm kind of scared to use the flat iron on it, but whatever, I don't know, we're gonna see what we gotta do. So yes, so here's the wig, and I'm about to go ahead and get started on applying this wig, and then after I have it applied, I'll give y'all some more information about the wig. So let's get to it, honey. Okay, so this is the wig after I cut the lace and put it onto my head. Not so happy and crazy about this wig. I don't know if it's my tan that got me like not feeling this, but yeah, the hair already is tangled like crazy. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna go put some foundation underneath this wig so that it can kind of blend a little bit more, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to styling the wig so that I could potentially like it. So y'all, let me get into the details of this wig. Again, this is a 22-inch silky straight 613 wig. My pros for this wig is that it's very, very thick. I love how thick the wig is. It gives me like a natural look. It doesn't give me like synthetic or wiggy vibes. You would think it is a synthetic wig, but it does not give me extreme synthetic vibes. I also like how the ends of the wig do not give me like this little, I don't have like blunt cut tips, so it's very, 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 very natural looking. I do suggest y'all try out ReadyWig.com because the wigs are extremely affordable, and you can get like maybe 3, 4, 5, I don't know, like y'all can get quite a bit of wigs on the site for $100. And of course I got y'all a coupon code. So the code is, are y'all listening? I got y'all listening to your song. The code is Kiara 8% off. So that's KIARA, the number 8, the percent sign, and OFF. And again, it is KIARA, the number 8, the percent sign, and off. And I'm gonna give y'all a little front back of the wig. So this is the side, and like I said, the color is nice. I really love the color. I love how thick it is. I love everything about the wig. I don't know, this is my first real synthetic wig. Well, no, y'all, this is my very first synthetic wig. So bear with me. I'm gonna try to do more of these, but I need to find some wigs that fit my head because your girl got a big old melon head, so we gotta find some wigs that fit my head. But yes, so this is the wig, and then like I said, this is how far it falls. It falls right below my boob. And yeah, honeys, yes honey. And yeah, so again, head on over to ReadyWig.com to get y'all some wigs and go ahead and slay this summer on a budget, honey. Get y'all some cheap little wigs and be in the dough. You hear me? Be in the door. So yes, that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on, and be ready and be on the lookout for another video. I will be posting more frequently than I have been posting. I am back focused, I am ready, and I am energized, and I am here to do this for y'all. So I'm ready to do my videos. So yes, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.